Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you how to show hidden files and folders inside Windows 10 and 11. So once you go to this screen right here, there will be just three dots appearing right here. Simply click on that and you will see this options right here to see additional options related to files and folder. And here you need to go to this option which is inside. I, I think this view option. Go to the second option, and right here by default it will show hidden files and folders. By default this will be toggle off here. Don't show hidden files and folders and drive. You need to select this second option right here, show hidden files, folders and drives. After that you simply click apply and OK, and after that you will be able to see the hidden files. So just need to make this change. Go to this options, go to the second view option, and right here hidden files and folders, simply toggle this option, show hidden files, folders and drives, and this will let you see the hidden files and folders inside your Windows 10 and 11 machine. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.